What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. You guys already see by the title, I'm about to hop into my very first DIY here on my channel. I know. I am so excited to bring this video to you guys because it's so super simple and you guys can do it right there at home without even having to spend a lot of money. I know wreaths and centerpieces can become so expensive, especially like the cuter, more glitz and glam you want to make them. But you guys, under $20, I was able to do both of these DIYs, and I actually used materials that I did not use on my tree and fireplace, anything that was left over. The only thing I really bought was the snow spray and ribbon. Everything else I already had, the acorns, the ornaments, but you guys will see that later down in the video. I just really think it's so cool that people can do this, and I can't wait to do more and more projects. And of course, if you guys like this video, I'll bring you more DIY projects on my channel. So let's go ahead and hop into the video. You guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and hit the red subscribe button, baby. Tap the bell. Join the family because we're about to hit 10K and I'm so excited. You guys already know the Vlogmas episodes are coming and they're getting better and better by the episode. So let's go ahead and hop into this project. All right, you guys, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is grab all of the materials that I need to complete this DIY. That way, as I get started, I won't have to stop, go grab things, and potentially forget anything. All of these materials are actually left over from me decorating the house and or the Christmas tree. The only thing that I had to buy for this actual project was the wreath itself, the insert picks, and the snow. And the ribbon, if you want to count that, but I also use this for my tree. Okay, so now I'm going to move everything off to the side, and I'm going to go in with my scissors to remove all of the tags, strings, prices, anything that will get in the way of me just having a nice and easy flow as I go. So now I'm going to fluff my wreath. Similar to what you'll do for the Christmas tree, I'm just going to move these stems backwards and really allow my wreath to become a lot fuller, a lot bigger, and really have a nice even shape. Okay, so it looks good now, but I'm just going to go in and perfect it a little bit more. All right, so now I'm going to go in with all of my decorations dry. Okay, dry, because I want to get an idea of the placement before I go in and permanently glue them down and we'd be stuck with an ugly wreath. We can't do that. So I'm just going to go in, place everything, and this will also make it easier as I'm going in to glue things down. Y'all, hello, hello. I will never buy another pre-made wreath again, okay? Because look at this. Look at this. I literally did this in maybe like 5 or 7 minutes at max. I just put everything in there to kind of see the placement, and look at how cute that is. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I see how the others save money. I'm about to get on the train, okay? No more. No more. Y'all, I was so thirsty to see what this snow was talking about. I almost forgot that I did not glue my ornaments down. So I did a little bit of snow. I allowed it to dry for like 2 minutes, and then I went back in to glue everything in place. Okay, so I'm going to actually take this ribbon to make a handle for my wreath, but I ended up not really needing it because I just utilized the hook that I have for the door. However, this is a really cute idea to just give your wreath a little bit of extra character. So I simply did a knot at the top. I made sure that it was nice and tight. I placed one strip on top of the other. I cut the excess ribbon off, and then I went in with the hot glue to create that cute little handle. So now I'm going to take my snow that I've been dying to use, shake it up as I go, and simply just add a lot of character to my wreath. This really took it from being basic to bad bitch, you guys, because it looks so good. It looks realistic, and I don't know, something about it just looks homey and inviting. I love the fact that this is going to be on my door. So to clean up that snow from my table, I took a damp cloth and I wiped it down first, and then I went in with my wood cleaner to make sure that I did not have any traces of the snow left over once this project was completed. So now I'm just going to go in with the Merry Christmas sign to top off my wreath, and that about wraps up this DIY. You guys, look at this wreath. It looks so good, professional, cute, homey, and it was under $20. I utilized majority of what I already had in my house. Isn't that cool? Let's move on to the next one. So just like the wreath, I'm gonna grab everything that I need to complete this centerpiece, and a lot of the things are actually leftover decorations that I use to decorate my house and the Christmas tree itself. The only items that I really had to buy for this project were the garland and then also the candles. You guys, this Epsom salt, don't judge me, judge your mama. So to start off, I'm actually going to cut a few stems off of my garland to create the grass, if you will, inside of our centerpiece. Then I'm going to go in with my Epsom salt, and I'm using this as my snow. If you will. You guys, I actually purchased fake snow for this, but I was over it, and yeah, I took that back, and I'm gonna use what I have in the house. Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly feather a few of my grass particles onto the bottom of my vase. And then I'm going to take some more Epsom salt and kind of brush it on top of it to give it like that snowflake kind of falling onto the grass type of effect. Then I'm going to go in with a few ornaments just to line the top of my grass before I place my candle in the middle. Okay, so let's take it up a notch, and I'm actually going to use my snow to lightly spray the last few of the grass strands, if you will, before I put them into the vase to surround the candle. And keep in mind, once you spray it, you need to let it sit and dry for a little bit to lessen the amount of mess that you'll have at the end of your project. And then I kind of had to rearrange them, play with them a little bit, and I went in to also add a little bit more snow to the top of it to really give it that little frosty type look. Fun fact, moment of truth, I was actually freestyling all of this. I saw a lot of these centerpieces on Pinterest. I didn't really know which one I wanted to do, but I kind of just utilized what I had in the house and made it work. So now my runner's on the table, and you can really see how cute this centerpiece is looking on top of that contrast. However, I wanted to go in and take it up a notch, so I cut a strip of that garland off, and I'm going to place it around the centerpiece like a halo, if you will. And I'm actually going to add in these gold flowers to it. I didn't glue these down just yet because I didn't really know how it was gonna look, but you guys, I think that looks pretty cute. I'm still contemplating wrapping a few lights around that garland and maybe putting it on a mirrored plate just to kind of give it a little bit of height. But that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you want to try these DIYs at home. If you do, let me know, and you guys can always tag me over on your Instagram pages. You guys know it's at ShaniceAlisha on everything. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace, guys.